The government may be shut down, but that's not stopping the next phase of the health care law from kicking in.
The president called it a historic day as millions of Americans can now get their own health insurance, some for the first time ever. Nicole Killian is live in Washington to explain what you need to know about the new program. Nicole?
Yeah, well, Cameron and Wanda, as you know, of course, the healthcare issue has been front and center here on Capitol Hill, especially in the shutdown fight. But in terms of the rollout of this particular program, there were a couple of glitches today, from website issues to some long wait times that callers experienced. But federal officials say they're working on it and believe it's an indication of demand. By phone, in person, or online at healthcare.gov, millions of uninsured Americans can sign up for coverage through new government exchanges.
The advantage for consumers of buying coverage inside of the exchange is that it's this one-stop shop, and that's never really happened before in the history of healthcare in this country.
How does it work? We sat down with a panel of experts to find out.
The idea behind these new marketplaces was to spur competition, and so across most states there will be multiple insurers offering a variety of qualified health plans.
You can pick between bronze, silver, gold, and platinum.
So a bronze plan is going to have a lower premium but higher cost sharing, whereas if you go all the way up to a platinum plan, you're going to have the higher premium because it's more comprehensive coverage.
But
the important thing is that all of the plans, no matter what level they are, need to cover the important benefits. Those are things like your annual checkups with the doctor, prescription drugs, maternity care, even mental health services are included in that.
According to the Obama administration, nearly 6 in 10 people will be able to purchase a plan for less than $100 a month with the help of tax credits.
When you go through the application process, you will be told how much you qualify for in a tax subsidy, and that might help you make your decision as far as, will this plan, again, give me the coverage that I need. Now, the enrollment period will last for the next 6 months, but those who sign up before the end of the year will see their coverage start in January. Reporting live on Capitol Hill, Nicole Killian, WXII 12 News.
Thanks, Nicole.
WXII 12 News continues to bring you expert information regarding the Affordable Care Act.
As Nicole just told us, enrollment started today, and we're answering your questions with the experts tonight. Bill O'Neill is standing by. Bill?
Yeah, guys, we have 2 experts in our studio today. Come here and join them real quick. This is Scott Edmonds. He is a navigator. That is a federally certified expert on the whole marketplace. Stanley asked you a question here online. How is this going to affect my Medicare? I also have a supplement called Medicare Complete through United Healthcare.
Yeah, a lot of seniors are really confused about how the Affordable Care Act affects them. And for people 65 and older that are already on Medicare, the Affordable Care Act and the marketplace doesn't affect them. They don't have to do anything online. They keep their plan, and largely nothing changes.
That's an important fact for them to know, isn't it? Because I know a lot of people are concerned with their health care. Who's taking it away? Who's doing
Absolutely.
what? And Scott is going to be here throughout our show. You have questions online. Here he is at the screen, ready to answer your questions, and we're going to be back to you in a couple of minutes. Rob Luisana is a local insurance broker in Greensboro, managing partner with Pilot Benefits. And Marie asked you a question, Rob. I am now unemployed without insurance. My income for 2013 is under $20,000. What insurance am I able to get, the amount of assistance, and the cost to me? I am single and 62 years old. What do you tell her?
Marie can get insurance in either one of 2 places. She can either go on the marketplace and get insurance there, or outside of the marketplace. The key point for Marie would be, do I qualify for a subsidy? And based on what she has written in, I would say she does. And the place for her to go would be to the marketplace and to just compare plans.
Super. We appreciate it. And again, Rob is going to be here also for the next hour or so, answering your questions online, and there are a lot of them coming in. And we have a live wire set up on our website, WXII12.com. Go there. We have 2 experts in-house. They will answer all of your questions. We also have a big number we want to give you tonight. It is an 800 number for North Carolina. It has been set up not necessarily to answer your questions about the marketplace, but to get you an appointment that'll get you in front of someone who does know all the ins and outs, and it'll help help you set up and sign up for the process. So check out the number we have on screen right now. It is 1-855-733-3711. If you don't have it now, don't worry about it. We're going to come back to it in a few minutes. But that is the number in North Carolina that you can contact, and they will make an appointment for you to get with an expert and get through the process of signing up for the new marketplace. Guys, we're going to be answering more questions throughout the show. We'll send it back to you right now.
All right, that is great information. Thank you, Bill. Well, today is the official kickoff for the Penny Campaign for Samaritan Ministries in Winston-Salem. This is the collection jar we just started here at WXII, so you might think about putting one of these in your office or your classroom or your place of worship. And every penny helps because the need is great right now. Samaritan Ministries is currently building a new facility that just about doubles the seating capacity in their soup kitchen and adds more beds for their homeless shelter. And it takes a lot of money to keep those doors open. So now's the time to start collecting your pennies, your nickels, dimes, quarters, dollars, whatever you can afford, and bring them to the Penny Campaign drop-off. That drop-off is December 7th from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at 110 Oakwood, right across the street from Thruway Shopping Center in Winston-Salem.
Merle Fest is 5 months away, but today we learned that a popular country star will headline that show. Alan Jackson has signed on to perform at the 27th annual festival on the first night. Other performers will be named in the coming weeks. Merle Fest 2014 takes place April 24th through the 27th on the campus of Wilkes Community College in Wilkesboro. Tickets go on sale November 12th. One of the Piedmont Triad's favorite events is just 3 days away. Workers are setting up the rides, games, and concession stands at the Dixie Classic Fairgrounds in Winston-Salem. Fair starts this Friday and runs through the 13th.
And if ever there were perfect fair weather, it was it today, man. I hope it can hang on.